Hi everybody, welcome to another episode. Hi Chef Channel. I need your subscribe, likes, comments. Please support us. Today we are going to make crispy chicken KFC style. It's very crispy and easy to make. We need ingredients: eggs, ordinary flour, oregano. If you have oregano or basil or any other herbs, no problem. Chili powder. Please take according to your taste, not so spicy. We need black pepper, not the crushed one, powder, and white pepper we need also. We need salt, soya sauce, white vinegar, and whole chicken cut into 8 pieces with the skin or without skin. Now we are going to make the marination for the chicken first, because it needs like a 1 hour marination time. Take some soya sauce, little chili powder. Don't add too much. If you don't like chili powder, you can add other kind of spices but not chili. Salt, little black pepper, little oregano dry, very little white pepper. White pepper giving you nice smell and the flavor when it's frying time. Now you mix together your all ingredients. Up to you, you can use, except oregano, you can use other dry items also. Okay, now we are going to make marinade. You see how I marinate. Nicely coat your marination with your chicken and keep it aside in the chiller with cover lid for minimum 1 hour. Now we are going to make seasoning our flour. We put some oregano dust, white pepper, black pepper, salt, chili powder. If you have garlic powder, ginger powder also, you can add according to your taste. It's not matter, but need little salty because when we mixing time, the flour will go with the oil. Now our flour mixer is ready, and you can take beside, keep beside, and we want to make now egg mixture. Break the 3 eggs, whole egg, no need to divide it. And please, when you make any egg mixture for coating for the meat or any items, don't break until puffy. If you break until puffy, your batter will be very thick, then you will get big coat, you will not get good taste. See, I not make too much puffy. Now you add vinegar, like a 4 to 5 spoon enough, teaspoons. So why we adding vinegar? When you add vinegar, your egg getting crumbles inside, you cannot see, but when you fry time you can see small chips coming. So now your egg is done. Add little salt if you want. You can add little oregano also if you want. So it got good taste when you fry with the coat with the egg, and your chicken is getting good taste. Now our preparation is done. Egg already seasoned, flour seasoned done. Also our chicken is done. So this time you can heat your oil, medium heat. Don't make too much a smoky heat, and try to take the fresh oil. Don't try to take a used oil, or only one time used oil is okay. Now we are going to coat. See how I coat. First I dip in flour, and after that I put inside the egg mixture. So flour must coat nicely. Normally 7 times need to coat, they're saying, but we okay. For us, if you coat nice way inside, all the chicken pieces inside, the flour must go. Then only the egg will touch to the flour. Most people not putting first flour directly to the egg mixture, then you will not get good results because egg will not touch to the chicken. So first you put flour, so it will take all the water and make a paste. So now you adding your chicken, first flour, second egg mixture, and third again in the flour mixture. So make it and keep it. Don't try to make earlier, then it will coming soggy. You will get bad results, like your batter will get very thick. It's like a plastic. So better immediately you mix and keep it. Within 10 minutes you can fry. When you fry time, don't overload your fry pan with your chicken. According to your oil and the heat, keep every time to maintain the heat same temperature. So better don't put too much pieces. For me, for this pot I am using only half chicken and little one or piece extra, but don't try to use so much pieces, and oil will get cold and your dish will get oily. Keep same temperature, don't go very high temperature, because if you make high temperature, your chicken outside crispy, inside not cooked with the blood. So it's very dangerous to eat. See, my chicken is, you can see the what I talked to you before, the vinegar break the egg and make small crispy pieces like flax. So now your dish is done. It's better than you buy from shop for your kids. See how much beautiful the dish now is. Enough for make one family. Very good KFC chicken style and tasty also. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe me. In future I can put more videos according to your comments and likes only. Please subscribe. I will put new video a new way in future. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy crispy chicken.